Welcome back to the MPC Academy. Today I'm going to show you guys how to sample into the MPC Live III using your phone via Type-C. All right, so the first thing you want to do is make sure that you have your phone plugged in to the USB-C port in your phone and into your MPC. Once you're connected, then we can come over here to the sampler and we can click the sample edit twice, tap it twice. So the first thing we want to do is change our input. So the input is currently set to 1 and 2. We're going to change this to the USB input 1 and 2. We're going to turn our monitor on. Now we can go ahead and turn on the track. Now we have sound. We can go ahead and sample. Perfect, that's all we need. And what we're gonna do is set everything to none so we can remove this sample from being assigned to a drum kit. So let's go ahead and name the sample Vintage. And then what I'm gonna do is go to edit. And now this is where we can chop this up. So I'm gonna go to chop. To chop our samples, we can use manual, which allows us to use the pads in real time to create our slices. Once we've chopped our sample, let's press shift and convert, turning our samples into a drum kit. So do it. Let's go to main here. Let's record our chops. All right, let's add some drums on top of that. Come on here to our folders, expansions. Let's go to the essentials. So let's load this drum kit by hitting load. Now let's hit record and let's lay down our drums. Yeah. All right, let's add some bass. Let's go to new track, plug in. Let's go to the bass line. Let's go to sub. Let's go to the square octave. Edit this a little bit. Let's turn the delay off. So what I'm going to do next is go to the notes. And the key of this song is in G major. So I'm going to change this to G. To change octaves on our bass synth, press the pad bank buttons. Let's add some bass. Thanks for watching the MPC Academy. See you in the next video.